Welcome to Guided Biofilm Therapy, probably the best dental hygiene experience you'll ever have. A prevention-focused and painless treatment. Guided Biofilm Therapy follows an 8-step protocol, taking you on a journey to optimum oral health, improved general health, and a lasting, beautiful smile. Step 1. A full oral health assessment will take place to screen for signs of gum disease and lifestyle factors that may increase your risk of dental disease. Unhealthy gums can compromise the lifespan of the teeth and contribute to more serious general health conditions. Early detection is crucial in eliminating and preventing disease. Step 2. An organic dye is applied to the teeth to make the biofilm, commonly referred to as plaque, visible and highlight the areas which need the most attention. Step 3. Now that we can see the biofilm, you'll be shown ways to keep your mouth clean and healthy. Good daily home care will reduce your risk of developing dental disease. Step 4. Airflow Max technology, combined with erythritol powder, removes biofilm and stains from the teeth, the tongue, and all the surrounding soft tissues, using a gentle jet of air and warm water. Step 5. If required, the PerioFlow will be used to carefully disrupt any biofilm from the gum pockets. Step 6. PAs on PS is used to remove the remaining hard deposits. Targeted, painless, and gentle removal of calculus. Step 7. A thorough final check is done to ensure all the biofilm and deposits have been removed and that the teeth and soft tissues are healthy and problem-free. Step 8. A recommended recall interval that's right for your health needs will be discussed at the end of your appointment and scheduled into the diary. Guided Biofilm Therapy, the modern patient-friendly approach to lifelong oral health.